anyways, that was really fun. Let me change. Okay, so now that we're changed, let's go. So, after a super long lacrosse tournament of winning a lot of games, I'm back to make a lit mug cake. So first, we're gonna obviously start off by making our mug. So let's go ahead and open this, get our paint out, and lucky me, look what I have. A paintbrush to come with it. Now, let's start painting. Now that I'm finished making my mug, they're balloons. It's something simple. Now we're gonna start adding all our dry and liquidy ingredients. First, we're gonna add 1 egg. Very non-cooperative. Okay, I'm gonna pass that over to the side. Then I have to add 4 tablespoons of my flour. Let's go ahead and add all of that in there. Set that off to the side. And now we need 4 tablespoons of our sugar. Do the same exact thing and add that in there. Now we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then our cocoa powder. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up real quick and then I'll add our last 2 ingredients. So now that it's pretty well mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and add our baking powder. Last but not least, our yummiest ingredient yet, Nutella. Okay, so now that we have this precious little baby here, I'm just going ahead and add it into our mixed up mug cake. Wow, my spoon is backwards, okay. Just so you guys know, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of Nutella to add to the mixture. I wish it would be a little bit easier to put in or scrape out, whatever. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. And after that's mixed up, we're gonna be putting it in the microwave for 60 seconds, also known as uno minuto. Now let's go to the microwave. Okay, let's put you in there for 60 seconds. And bye-bye. Let's do it. drink a glass of water. Not done yet. Still not done yet. Done. Check. Take 10 deep breaths. I am pretty sure I'm done. Check. Think of something you're grateful for. Mi familia, my family. Check. Scratch your dog's belly. Oh, it's okay. Check. Eat an apple. Cold. Yummy. Swivel your hips. Check. Shimmy your shoulders. Check. Ow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, let's get the mug cake out and eat it. Yep. Now it's time to dive into this mug cake. Looks so good. My eyes are watering. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. So don't get even hungry. One thing really good about it is that it has, like, you know that muffin, like the dough? It's actual dough, and it has like this frosting taste. It looks like it's not done, but it is really good, and it's done. It almost went over the top. This is really good. I mean, it's not doughy. It does not taste raw. And overall, this is really good. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace. Bye.